Welcome back to the vlog. I just want to make a video and show you that I just did this right here, the band visors. Pretty easy install. Well, I actually haven't finished because this comes with some clips that you have to connect to it. I believe from the side or from the top. I don't remember where it's at, but I know there is some clips that you have to connect, like this part right here, and I haven't connected them yet because I'm at work. So all I did was I put them on with the 3M tape that it comes with it. So then whenever I get home later on, I do the clips, which I probably won't be able to do today because look how ugly it's turning out. Which it made me mad because it was like pretty sunny, super hot. So I was like, well, let me put the vent visor because it's hot. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but it is hot right now. But I didn't know it was gonna rain today. So I don't know how the 3M tape is gonna work. Hopefully they survive. But I'm loving these ones. Man, I love the way how close they are to the window, like you can barely tell they're there. I like them. So that's the video for today. Pretty easy install. They not cheap though, almost like $200 for them things, but they OEM Mazda, so car is looking good. We just got the nano force field done today, so I got the ceramic coating on it. Should last around 5 years. So they do the outside and they do the inside, that nanotechnology force field. But anyway, if you got any question, you leave it on the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, thank to the new subscriber, hit the like button if you like the video. If you want to keep seeing the updates on the Mazda 3 Turbo, which it doesn't say turbo anywhere, it's a sleeper. But anyway, to the next one, you already know. Be safe.